Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Lesser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video you are going to learn how to download and install Adobe Photoshop plugin for free. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how you can download, install your Adobe Photoshop action for free. With that being said, but before I get to this tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Photoshop topic, you get notified. And lastly but not least, if you have any question as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can firstly download the Photoshop action and how you can install it on your PC. So let's get started. So first thing for you have to go to the download folder, and then when you open up the download link, so this is the download link. When you open it up, you have to click on download. So immediately you click on download and it's going to prepare the download folder right here. You can see Face Clean Photoshop Action. So that's just the name of the plugin. Okay. So once you are able to download, let's see how you can install it in your Adobe Photoshop. So once you are able to download, you are going to have it this way. So this is the plugin. It is Face Clean Photoshop plugin. Okay. So once you are able to get to this stage, the next thing is to install the plugin on your PC and use it in your Adobe Photoshop. So the next step you have to take is to go to this PC. So when you click on this PC, and you have to navigate to your local disk. Then from your local disk, you have to go to Program File. Then from Program File, you have to go to Adobe. Then right here, I'm going to install this plugin into my Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. So you have to select the software version. Then after that, you have to move to your presets. So from presets, you have to look for actions. Okay, this is the actions. You click on actions. So these are the current actions I have on this particular PC. So I have to add a new one that was just downloaded from the internet. So I have to click on my folder right here. So then next thing you have to do is to, this is the Face Clean action we just download. So you just have to drag and then you drop it right here. Okay, so once you drop it right here, you just press enter key on your keyboard. Then the action is going to run. Once you press on enter key on your keyboard, then click on show more app. Then you have to select Photoshop and then always use this app for open this stuff and click on OK. Boom. You easily go back to your Adobe Photoshop right now. So when you get back to your Photoshop, you have to go to Window. Then you click on Actions. So right here, you are going to see the one we just installed. So you can see it right here. Face Clean Action. Okay. So you can begin to use your Photoshop action without any stress. So guys, this is how to install Photoshop action step-by-step tutorial without any stress. I hope you find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, I'm going to put the download link to this particular Photoshop action in the description of this video. This Photoshop action is very much good in terms of face clean when you are trying to edit your picture in your Adobe Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.